This is the final ride on the elevator here at the Kmart store in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. This store will be closing on Saturday, July 28th, 2018. I'll take this one inside. Just go up to 2. And let's listen. Let's go down to 1. 3,900 pound capacity. It's just your basic Kmart elevator. Nothing too special. It looks like they added that rail. The cab is pretty beaten up. Let's go back up to 2. And here we go. Let's go back down to 1. Go close button works. There's your bell. We're going to take one more ride if there's nobody here. It's just a pretty basic cab, nothing too exciting really. Unfortunately, this elevator will be going away because the store's going to be knocked down and replaced with the ShopRite, which is relocating from Fairlawn. And we're going to take one last ride. And we'll go back down to 1. Just your typical EPCO SSL. Oof. Wow. So yes, this is going out, and once this Kmart goes out in Bergen County, the only left is going to be Westwood. This actually used to be a Grandway discount department store back in the day. And I'm guessing this is a ThyssenKrupp with EPCO SSL. That's what I'm taking a guess at here. Oh, there's a chime. Exciting. It's like the other file. So once you close, there it goes, and that's it.